We get accused a lot of making things look too easy on video, and for the most part we disagree with that because, well, things are a bit easier than they actually seem. However, there was one video that was an absolute pain to do, and we tried our best to hide that. Welcome back, I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. This is a BMW F30, the 3 Series made from 2011 to 2019. And if you've ever owned one and had to change the headlight bulbs, you know it's far more pain-free to just sell the car and get something different than to actually try to do that. While we did make a joke about turning the wheel with one finger, which for some reason people thought was serious, we did make the process look far easier than it was. Well, this one goes out to commenter DingoXBX, who said, "Bro made this look way easier than it was," crying emoji. Them were really stuck in there. Well, I told you I'd reach out to our marketing team about releasing some of the extra footage, and they said yes. Bruh. So this one's for you, DingoXBX, and anyone else who has or will experience the frustration of changing out the headlight bulbs in a BMW F30. Enjoy.
If you happen to have pterodactyl.
It's wedged though, there you go.
I believe in you.
I believe my hands are too big. Ooh, that's not a good sound. I think that's it. Nope, can't even see it. I was just supposed to pull straight back. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can disconnect the bulb. Really? How BMW gonna make this so hard? It's gotta be freaking hard. Oh, come on. It's gonna be a heck of a good blooper reel. So there you have it. We felt the same pain and suffering as you do, but just tried to hide it and make it seem less daunting. Whoops. Now I can think of one more thing that almost made me want to quit and work for BavSound, but I'll have to run that past the marketing team first. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our site and sign up for our newsletter. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.